Hey guys, welcome back to another video of MiniatureDiecast, and today we have another Japanese legend, the Mazda RX-3 from Hotwheels Mainline. So this one is from Hotwheels J Import series and card number 7 out of 10. So you can check out the card art, which is really nice. Back of the package we can see manufacturing details and year of manufacturing, importer details, etc. So it's a very cool car. So this one is a tuned version, so let's unbox to check further details. Okay, so here we can see the tuned version of this car look like it jumped straight out of a cartoon movie with its oversized wheels and design. So I really like tuned versions. They are really cute and compact in size. That's why I collect them. So let's start from the front. So at the front we can see headlight details, which is all chromed, and this one is dual headlights. You can see small number plate details, which is written TROBUL. So here should be the car manufacturing logo, but it is not there. Okay, from the side profile we can see this wide fenders, because this one is modified, and you can see small details of this door handle, and here we can see some decals like number 3 and 12. You can see Hot Wheels badging and lot of sponsors or logos are there. And from the back of the car we can see this wing, and there is no tail light details, but the bumper is all chromed, and this one is made of plastic. So here we can see a very small details of engine exhaust. From this side also same as well. Okay, I think this one is painted, and this one is side indicator. Okay, we have a very tiny roof over here, and the interior is completely black, made out of plastic. So it's this one is a left and right. We can see the steering wheels at the left side, and kind of smoky black finish windows. Let's check the wheels. So it's a gold finished wheel, golden color, and it's a 5 spoke wheel. Okay, so the base is completely made of chrome finish in plastic. We can see a lot of details like Mazda RX-3 made in Malaysia and Hot Wheels logo. So let's do a roll test. Yeah, it is rolling nice as always. Hot Wheels cars rolls really nice. Sometime it may there will be a wheel bubbles, but not with every car. So one thing I love about Japanese car makers like Toyota, Supra, Honda, Nissan, Mazda, Subaru, they rock the road with reliable, stylish and innovative rides, from classic muscle to modern hybrids. So fun fact about this car is the Mazda RX-3 is most successful car in the 1970s, even taking one big names like Nissan and Toyota on the track. So if you like seeing classic cars turned into playful Hot Wheels tunes versions, then make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to Miniature Diecast for more cool diecast unboxing and reviewing. So till then, keep collecting and stay awesome. See you in the next video.